This is a Yardeni 6. It's ranked green belt on the LPU. Yardeni is an Israeli company. This is a good dimple lock for if you're getting into dimple locks. It's not overly difficult, but it's not overly easy. It has a couple spools, a couple standards. To try to get in, I'm going to use this generic tension tool and a multi-pick flag. Nothing on 1, nothing on 2, nothing on 3, 4, maybe click out of 5, nothing on 6, back up. Come on. 3. Okay, so I had to come back and set 3, and I had to go back and touch 6. This does have spools, so I'm on 1. But I drop something, 2, 3, 4, 5. I drop 6. I hit 2, 3, 4. And I had dropped 6, and I had to go back and just touch that again and get it to open up. But that is the Yardeni 6.